हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं अबाउट नो स्किल एजेंसी, द रियलिटी ऑफ नो स्किल एजेंसी। इफ़ यू आर इन ड्रॉप सर्विसिंग, that you need to consider these things, because if you are going to do that, you are going to destroy it. Because if you don't have information, if you don't have a skill, how you are going to judge people that they are going to give you the best services, or how much you are going to charge them? ठीक है, okay, you need to understand that if you are don't have any skills, or you are just watching a online course and you started doing that, you are just going to ruin, you are going to waste your time, you are going to waste your money, and you are going to waste your mental peace, you are going to destroy your mental peace. You need to consider these things in your mind. ठीक है, why you should not start a no skill agency? The first thing you need to consider in your mind is lack of substantive skill training, because some courses may promise agency success without focusing on developing a specific or particular skill. Okay, you need to see this. If you are going in the market and you don't have practical knowledge and you don't have practical skills, and if you are going to do no skill agency, then you are just going to waste your money and time also. So remember this thing: before starting a agency, social media marketing agency or any other agency, you need to see in your mind that are you able, do you have information? And if you don't have information, don't go in that particular thing. You are just going to waste your time and money also. Second, over phases of quick success, that they are going to show you that you don't need to do anything, you need to get client from here and you need to get work from here, and you are going to get money, a lot of money like that. And that's how you got trapped in their funnel, and you got trapped in their funnel, and they used you to fulfill the money and their need. And after that you are stuck, you are just trying to help, you are just trying to get clients from particular that course. You have learned from that course that you can get clients on Fiverr, Upwork, freelancing, and you can connect with other clients on social media. You can send video sample that you had edited, or you can send the work that you have done in the past. In that way you are just going to what, waste your time. So remember this thing: if you really wanna start a no skill agency, first you need to learn a skill. Why? Because if you have basic information will be good, because you know how much you need to charge from particular person, and how much you need to give for particular person to make that work happen. You need to consider these things. ठीक है. थर्ड, जेनरिक और आउटडेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन. द कोर्सेज एंड द ड्रॉप सर्विसिंग areas, all the influencer are giving you the wrong data. Why they are giving you wrong data? Because they want just views on their YouTube video, and if they are selling course, and they are trapping you. And if you got trapped in particular thing, you will be paying 50,000 rupees to particular them in Indian currency. And if you are going to pay them in dollar, you are going to pay $500, $1,000 for that particular thing. And that work you can make done by anyone. Okay, so you need to consider that you need to learn thing. They are just showing you over pages of social media, and in that way you are going to be destroyed. Next thing, that insufficient focuses on client relationship. They don't teach you how you can be sufficient and how you can have a good relationship with your client. They are just going to show you that I had got that client, this is my screenshot that I had worked with particular person who paid me $5,000 or $50,000. They are just showing. And how they are showing? They are just editing screenshots and they are showing to you, and they are showing their children's also. children, sorry, students also, that he is making you. They will give you testimony, and you will see, oh, that person is also making, and you will see how why I am not able to do it. So then they will offer you another service, that sir, we will offer you, we will help you to do it, we will consult you, we will hold you one to one, we will give you coaching and how you can do it. And then again you trapped, you will pay them again rupees, and in that process you are just going to, after 6 months or a year, you will feel that your time wasted, money wasted, and mental peace destroyed. Or money and time both are most important thing. If you give 6 months to 1 year in learning particular skill, high paying skill, 1 2 3 4, you will easily learn. But if you are going to do in that way, you are going to destroy no skill agency. But you need to learn skills. Remember this thing, if you really want to make money in 2024, 2025, 2023, sorry 2023 तो निकल गई, 2025, 2026, 26, 27, 28, in upcoming time you want to make money from social media, from editing videos, by freelancing work, you need to learn skills. Nothing more. You need to give hard work. You need to hard work, and then you will be able to charge more rupees. Because if you know, if you value your skill and you know how to do it, you will charge. Okay, next thing, limited support and mentorship. Okay, you need to see this thing, that they are selling course, $500, $1,000 the course they are selling, and in that they just made the videos, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this, but in reality you can't do anything, because you don't have practical knowledge, and that's how they destroy you. 7th, high course cost. I already told you, the drop servicing, they are showing you that you can make millions of dollars a year, you can make thousands of dollars, but you have to pay thousands dollar, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 for their course. And how they make their money like this. And this is the reason that they are not doing drop servicing. They are just selling the service, they are just selling the course. Selling course is easy than doing the service for other. You need to get this point. Next, focus on quantity over quality, and they will show you that you can work a lot, you can get this one, you can get particular client from USA, Canada, $1,500, $2,000, ठीक है. And then they will show you need to get this particular work done by a freelancer who do basic things. And if the particular client wants to do basic thing, he can hire anyone, or he can give his work to his uncle or brother's son. They will do this. They want high quality content, and how they get, that's why they are paying. Next, ethical concern. Courses that prioritize profit over ethical business practice, they emphasize the importance of honesty. Okay, if they are always talking about money, profit, then you are just disturbed and you are just going to be fucked up. In the last but not the least, lack of customization. You will learn, there will be 30 to 45 videos or 50 videos maximum. There will be like videos like this, and you are going to watch them, and what you are going to do, you are going to apply same things, and the result will be zero. Why their result is so much good? They are making money. Why? Because they have screenshots, they have multiple works done by other people who are in their team, and they are showing all the works to you in one format, and they are showing, this is my last month work, this is my before last month work, and that's why you are going to convince them, and they are going to manipulate you as much as you can, that you are broke, you can't do anything, you don't have a skill, you don't need any skills, you just can do it, but just you have guards, you can do this, and in this process you got die, or in process that you are just going to waste your money, time and energy. Okay friends, we will meet you in next video, and till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.